My name is Griffin. I'm the outgoing Deputy President of the ISSU and I'm running for position on the Monitoring Committee at this year's Annual Assembly. The Monitoring Committee acts as your voice on a day-to-day basis within the Union. If elected, I really want to ensure that this voice is strong, consistent and collaborative. The Monitoring Committee needs to serve as a better platform for communication with you, the membership. I've served 3 terms on the NSE and I know exactly how important the ISSU Constitution and the Directive Policy Book are to the work of the Union and also to the work of the Monitoring Committee. This year I led a total reform of the ISSU Constitution which involved analysing and reviewing each article and appendix. Within this reform I also led a review of ISSU Directive Policy. These documents will be put forward at an EGM later this year, but I think that it is really important that someone that was heavily involved in the reform process is on the Monitoring Committee going forward. The MC this year needs to be on the ball and have a detailed knowledge of the work that has gone on in the Union in the past year. I think that I am in the perfect position to offer this continuity as the outgoing Deputy President. I really believe in the possibilities of this structure in holding the ISSU accountable to you, the members. I think it's really important that we continuously re-evaluate the methods used by the Monitoring Committee to ensure that they are accurately reflecting the membership's needs. I'd really like to create a new monthly report system for the NSE, introduce monthly or bi-monthly reports for the NCS, and I'd like to introduce more internal surveys to quickly and clearly see the areas where difficulties have arisen and give recommendations accordingly. The MC really needs to be seen as a structure of knowledge and expertise and one that the NSE can rely on for guidance. I want to introduce a more overall monitoring approach also. We need to monitor the Union as a whole. I believe that my knowledge and experience combined will bring a fresh and useful perspective to the MC and help to structure its work in order to deliver an effective monitoring of the organisation. I would love the opportunity to give back to the ISSU in sharing what I have learned over the years through the Monitoring Committee. I am asking you for your #1 vote for Monitoring Committee at this year's Annual Assembly. Gur Maidí agus Slán.